Hi, my name is Jim Sterling. I'm a professor and director of the PhD program at KGI. My background is that I was a mechanical engineer. I went to Texas A&M University, and then I was really interested in aerospace, and that's kind of what brought me to Southern California way back in the day. And I got a PhD at Caltech in mechanical engineering. I worked in the aerospace industry for a bit, but then I got really interested in bioengineering, and I spent some time in at Los Alamos National Laboratory, and then came to KGI in 2000 as a founding faculty member here. It was really exciting to be in an endeavor that's an entrepreneurial endeavor in higher education. So we were starting the first new graduate school in the life sciences in the 21st century. So that was a lot of fun to get KGI started. In terms of professional activity then, I've done research in biomedical diagnostics, DNA diagnostics in particular, and then I moved into glycobiology and some neuroscience topics, as well as some biophysics research that I do in my lab now. So that's sort of my background, and I continue to be involved in laboratory automation topics and biophysics association. There's the Biophysical Society is a society that I go to the annual meetings and participate in biophysics research. What I really like about being the director of the PhD program is being involved with the students. Students are very curious, they're very engaged. This is a type of student I think any faculty member would enjoy working with, because the students are so engaged and they're putting their heart and soul into their PhD studies. And so that's a lot of fun. I like being involved in the process of meeting the students from the beginning, before they come here, helping them through the application process, helping run the PhD internal mechanisms. I enjoy that too, because I get to work with the staff and all the other faculty who have PhD students who are involved in research at KGI. So that's a lot of fun as well. Briefly, the KGI PhD program is nominally a 3 to 4 year program, and we require students to have a master's degree before they come here. And so having that master's degree already under their belts allows them to jump right into the lab and right into their dissertation research. So that's it's a bit different than some other PhD programs that might take 6 or 7 years. Our program, the students get involved right away and they make a lot of progress quickly. So at KGI we have two formats for the PhD program. One is a KGI residential program where students are in a lab at KGI, sort of the traditional format, but the PhD is in applied life sciences, so most of the projects have a very applied orientation to them. The second format is the industry-hosted version. Industry-hosted means that the students are full-time employees at a company doing research at the company site, but they have a PhD advisor at KGI and they have a committee, and they have to meet all the same milestones as the KGI students who are residential students. Graduates from our PhD program have a lot of opportunities. Many of them are involved in, of course, research, but I think it might not be as appreciated that the life sciences, in the product development and the quality control and sort of the whole endeavor of bringing a life science product to the market, it means that students have opportunities not just in R&D discovery, they have troubleshooting and problem solving and all kinds of good scientific endeavors in industry. So they can go work in national laboratories, biotech companies, medical device companies. There's a wide variety of opportunities, including things that are not even particularly research oriented, like scientific writing or working at the U.S. Patent and Trade Office.